After having a late morning lunch and some work done, I took my siesta. I call it siesta. I like to rest in the afternoon, so I have a wonderful evening, winding down. So it's now 2:49. I saw a bunch of missed call, and when I responded to the missed call, the husband was calling. So I'm going out for a late evening dinner. It's 2:49. So yeah, I'm gonna head out and take you on that journey with me. I have this big, beautiful mirror, and no one has ever asked up until this week, why do I have such a big mirror? Outside. Gracias.
Muchas gracias. ¿Tendrás salsa roja? ¿Roja? Sí, roja.
We just finished having a late afternoon lunch dinner. Traditional Mexican food, always. Da 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 da. Hey, just got back home. because we came home and took the dogs for a walk and we're back home. It was a wonderful evening. There was a lot of activities going on. We went to the park and yeah, that's pretty much our day. So I'm gonna end by saying thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Stay positive, think on possibilities. Bye.